How to download Valorant on PC or laptop? Head on the Valorant website by opening any browser and typing playvalorant.com on the web address bar. Once you reach on the official site, click on the Play Free button. And here, if you don't have an account on Riot, then you need to click on Make One, or if you have a Riot account, you need to click on Sign In button. Let's click on Make One and make a Riot account. Here you have to enter your email, or you can also create an account with Facebook, Google, Able ID, or the Xbox. So let's enter the email address here and press enter on the keyboard. Then here you have to enter the birthday, and after that you have to click this arrow button and enter the username. Now again click on this arrow button and enter the password. You need to click on confirm password and again enter the password. Now again click on the arrow button, and if you wish to save it, click on save or click on never. You have to go through all of the terms of services and check mark this I agree to the terms of service and I have read and acknowledged the privacy notice and click on accept. You have to wait for a while, and after you have created account on Riot, you need to click on download button. You have to wait for a while until it gets downloaded. Then after the application gets downloaded, you have to locate the file. And after that, here you need to install the Riot Games. Click on Riot Games and you have to wait for a while. Before that, you have to allow this Valorant to make changes on your PC and click on Yes button. The installing process has been begun. You have to wait for some minutes. So once the Riot Game Launcher has been installed, you have to click on the install button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you need to install the Vanguard. So this Vanguard anti-cheat software is a software without which the Valorant games won't be played. So click on install and the downloading process will be started, and here you need to sign into your Riot Games account. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, or Apple ID or the Xbox. So once the Vanguard has been installed, you can easily log into Riot Games, and this way you have successfully downloaded the Valorant on your PC or laptop. That's it. Thank you for watching.